I untied you.
Okay, follow me.
You have to
Right
go.
here.
You have to go.
Time to go to the store. Such a gamer. What should I buy? Wait.
Everybody.
Oh, science experiment. Sure. 4,000. Don't have enough. 4,000. Don't have enough. 4,000. Don't have enough. Dang it! I hit my face. 4,000. Don't have enough. 4,500. Don't have enough. 1,000 has enough. 1,800 has enough. 2,500 has enough, but not buying it. 2,500 has enough. 2,000 has enough. 2,500. I think I must buy a brand new face expression, so I would be looking good next time I come back. Oh yeah. I can't buy another one, then I'll lose all my shiny rocks that I have. Yes, I need. Yay, I enjoyed my item, but I don't want it to have it on right now. It's not a gamer fit for me. I'm just gonna go buy a...
Because ghosts are not real.
You're being handcuffed.
I'm just gonna buy a brand new item.
Yeah, I'm not real. I'm just a person with a voice changer.
Gotta run. What happened? You're untied.
Seriously?
Wait, how do you
Well, well, I could do that.
We got you. Will never catch me. With a voice changer. Come over here, son. Come with me. Come back home. Come back home.
Anyways, that was super weird. But I'm gonna unequip that item and see how many shiny rocks. 2,000? There's no way I already have 2,000 shiny rocks. I'm gonna have to spend all my 2,000 shiny rocks. I wonder what I could spend it on. Find an item to spend it on. Wow. Exactly. If I spent it on this, I'll get 0 shiny rocks. Should I just save up my shiny rock for next time? I don't really want to buy any more cosmetics, because there's like so many cosmetics that I don't want to buy. And this is public store, so I'm gonna have to pick what I have to buy. But I already picked what I want to buy, so I will just head home. Anyways, yeah, I'm done doing stuff like this. I'm done being in stores that cost expensive. I'm just gonna go.